Today we're here to introduce the new features of the USB digital audio recorder. The sound you're hearing is actually from this recorder right now. Spiky the Spytek robot, explain to the folks at home what are the new features that have been introduced.
To access your USB recorder, connect it to a USB jack on any Windows computer. Click the MemoQ folder. This is the root directory of the USB. All your recordings can be found in the voice folder. The time setup program is where you can change the settings of the USB recorder. Here is the program. Note the different settings. On the left side you can choose between high and extra high quality. Remember that extra high will use more battery and memory than high. On the right side you can adjust SVOS level. This is the amount of noise required to trigger voice-activated recording. The lower number means a louder noise will be needed to start recording, and quieter sounds will be ignored. A higher number would result in more recording and less standby. After adjusting the settings, remember to press Start. After pressing Start, remove the USB recorder from your computer to complete the setup process. This process will also set the recorder's internal clock to the current time automatically.
Thank you, Spiky. So if you would like to check out the specs on this recorder and any other Spytek products, please check out our website. It's called Spytek, SPYTECH.com.